Hello everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to change font size and style in your device Vivo Y02s. So if you want to know about the font settings of your device Vivo Y02s, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can change font size and style in your device.